here's an update on the Doodle Bug with the Duromax electric start. When I ordered it, first time using the motor, of course, when I ordered it, they said it was pretty much a Predator clone. There are some definite differences. For one, if you use the Predator intake, you have to use the Predator studs as well. Fortunately, I had a Predator laying around that was blown. Also, I changed the jet on the carb, and if you take the bowl off, you are not getting the original gasket on there. I actually used the original gasket off of a Predator carburetor, and it went back in just fine. Fit better than the original. Let's go over a few things. I took the key start right here, and took it apart and made it a lot smaller. Put it right there. What we're doing is the first test drive for Bianca. Here you go, Bianca. You gotta let off of it when it starts to start. All right, go ahead. Go ahead.